welcome back. And in this video what we will do is that we will set up Hilt in our project. So what we'll do is that we'll go to the Hilt guide, and over here you can see that you have to do a couple of things, right? So we'll just go through each one by one and then implement it, right? The first thing that we need to do is that we need to define this id.gradle Hilt Android into our root project's root Gradle file. So which means that we'll go to Android Studio, and this is basically the project level basically, and this is the app level. The root means the project level. So what we need to do is that we need to define something like this. Okay, so this is, again, it's in Groovy, so we'll go back over here, change it to Kotlin, so we get the Kotlin version. And now we'll just copy this and go back to Android Studio, and inside this Android Studio we'll just replace it, right? And now just sync it. Make sure to sync every step one by one so that you don't end up in like some sort of dependency lock. And the next thing that it says that you need to go to app.build level, and then you need to add a couple of things, like you need to add these two lines, and then you need to add these two lines, and then this capped. So let's just do that. Just copy these plugins from here, go back to Android Studio, and now it's this time we are going to app module. So we'll go to the app module section, and over here beneath that app plugin, let's just add these, sync now. Once you sync them, we'll go back again, copy these dependency that we have for the Android, go back to Android Studio. It says that dependency was not found. No worries, we know there's something that can happen. Now let's just try again. This time hopefully it will work. And the last thing that we need to do is that you need to add this outside the dependency model. So just get it over here and then add this and then sync it again. So one by one you need to add, like, sync it one by one. And now you can take these to the version catalog over here, libs.version catalog as well. But if you want, if not, you can keep it this way. But since all the dependencies are there, so it would be good if we can replace it over here with that, right? And then you can just do it over here for this. Now our Hilt dependencies are being added. Okay, and you need to define this Java 8 version, so make sure to enable this inside the Android. I think we already should have that, but if it's not, you have to add it. Make sure you have it. If not, you can add it over here, right? So this is something that you need to add, and then once you add that, it will say that you need to create an application class and add this annotation of Hilt Android app. So let's just do that. So we'll go back to Android Studio, get into this Java code or Java section over here, and then right click, create a new Kotlin class and call it food hub app, right? And this is going to be a class, so we'll just keep it this way. And then this class is gonna extend application class, so we'll just keep it like this, right? And make sure to annotate it with Hilt Android app. Okay, once you do that, you'll copy this, or let's just go to the guide. And it also says that the main activity that you use, you should define that entry point on that as well. We'll just copy that, and since we have this main activity as an entry point only, so we'll just add this over here to this section. Okay, now once you do all these things, there's just one more thing that you need to do, and I think that is not defined in over here. Yes, it's not defined. So what you need to do is that the application class that you created over here, you need to define this in the manifest file as well. So we'll get over here into this section, and now you see that there is no name attribute over here. So let's just add a name attribute to this and then set it like this. So once you do that, this means that the Hilt is now integrated. And now if, let's say, if you want to create some sort of objects, some sort of view model, you should be able to get it through Hilt. So now let's just run this code, and once you run this code, hopefully it will run as expected. And if it runs, this means that there is no issue with the dependency configuration that we have done. If there is, it will fail. Okay, you can see that the build was successful, which means that our configuration worked. And in the next video, what we will do is that we will implement retrofit with Hilt. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video, comment down below and share the video with your friends. For similar content, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you have any queries, you can join my Discord server where we discuss different kind of things. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.